Brace yourselves, America, as China takes the lead in the race for flying cars. While we're stuck in traffic, XPeng NIO ET is revolutionizing urban transport, leaving us in the dust.
If you like big wheels, you're going to love the Shane, a new electric vehicle concept with what looks like 60-inch rims.
The rapid growth of Chinese automotive technology has led to the development of more advanced, secure, and energy-efficient next-generation cars.
Welcome back. Over the past 2 years, the number of Chinese auto exports jumped by more than half. Elizabeth Palmer shows us how more Americans could soon get the chance to drive a vehicle made in China.
These vehicles, equipped with cutting-edge driver assistance systems and electric powertrains, represent the pinnacle of modern automotive design. They are not just about technological advancements. They represent the future of transportation and have left the world in awe. Which Chinese cars are leading the charge in technological innovation, and how are they pushing the limits of the automotive revolution? Join us as we reveal advanced Chinese next-generation transport that shocks everyone. NIO ET9 sedan. NIO is one of the leading Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers, and it recently unveiled its flagship model, the ET9. This model brings the company's lineup to 9 electric vehicles. While NIO intends to enter the U.S. market, it focuses on its current domestic demand.
According to China EV Post, NIO plans to sell its first car in the U.S. by 2025. The company will import its China-built electric vehicles into the U.S. rather than manufacturing them locally.
The ET9 boasts impressive technology, featuring a 900-volt electrical architecture and steer-by-wire technology. Here is a big fact. In terms of size, the ET9 surpasses even the extended wheelbase version of the Bentley Bentayga, measuring 209.7 inches in length compared to the Bentayga's 208.9 inches. NIO has coined the term land jet to describe the ET9. It features a powerful all-wheel drive system with 2 electric motors. A smaller 241 horsepower asynchronous motor powers the front wheels, while a larger 456 horsepower permanent magnet synchronous motor drives the rear wheels, resulting in a combined output of 697 horsepower. The ET9 is equipped with a 120.0 kilowatt-hour battery that operates at a high voltage of 925 volts and is capable of fast DC charging at speeds of up to 600 kilowatts. Although specific performance figures and range estimates are not yet available, NIO claims that under ideal conditions, the ET9 can recharge at a rate that provides up to 158 miles of additional range in just 5 minutes. NIO offers automated battery swap stations in China to enhance convenience further, replacing depleted batteries with fully charged ones in under 5 minutes.
The idea of swapping batteries on electric vehicles isn't exactly new. The technology is already available and growing fast in China.
The ET9 is the first NIO model to incorporate steer-by-wire technology, a feature expected to become more prevalent in the automotive industry. Like the Tesla Cybertruck, the ET9 eliminates the traditional mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the steering rack, relying solely on electrical signals for input and feedback. This technology helps redundancy in case of power failure, ensuring the drivers' and passengers' safety. NIO has previously collaborated with ZF Group on steer-by-wire technology, suggesting that this supplier developed the ET9 system. Additionally, the ET9 features rear-wheel steering and an active suspension with height-adjustable air springs, further enhancing its driving dynamics. The ET9, like many other luxury Chinese vehicles, prioritizes the comfort and convenience of rear-seat passengers. Inspired by private jets, the rear seats offer a luxurious experience with reclining capabilities, an aircraft-style tray table, and motorized shades for privacy and noise reduction. That is not all. The ET9 has multiple digital displays, including a 15.6-inch central touchscreen, 14.6-inch displays for rear passengers, and a smaller 8.0-inch control screen in the rear. In terms of advanced driving technology, the ET9 supports higher-level assisted driving features.
Notably, the vehicle introduces a self-driving chip developed in-house, making it the pioneer in employing the advanced 5-nanometer process technology within China's automotive sector.
Thanks to its 3 LiDAR arrays. The Shenji NX9031 provides the powerful computing capabilities required for these systems and is claimed to be the world's first 5-nanometer automotive-grade chip. This impressive technology can undoubtedly be a conversation starter for ET9 owners. The ET9 is currently available for pre-orders in China, with deliveries expected to begin in the first quarter of 2025. Prices start at approximately $112,000 at current exchange rates. Would you love to have one if the company eventually exports this model to the United States? Tell us in the comment section. Moving on to the next marvel of modern Chinese transportation, a train that doesn't roll along tracks. This will leave you shocked. Suspended maglev train. Have you ever heard of the world's fastest trains? Many of these high-speed trains originate in Asia. Interestingly, some trains travel above the ground, suspended beneath the track. China's latest high-speed train relies on magnetic levitation technology to travel through tubes up to 4,000 kilometers per hour. In recent tests, the maglev train reached 623 kilometers per hour, surpassing the fastest currently operational trains. While not yet in commercial service, the train achieved a new speed record of 623 kilometers per hour during a test of its low-vacuum tube technology in February.
In Chengdu, engineers are working on the future of rail travel, the maglev. Theoretically, it could travel at a flying speed of over 500 kilometers per hour. That is the dream. In practice, things are more complicated.
This marks a significant milestone for the project, as the train traveled stably through a 2-kilometer-long tube. The Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation has not disclosed the exact speed achieved in this test, but confirmed that it was faster than the previous record. Maglev trains utilize magnetic levitation technology, employing magnets' repulsive and attractive forces to guide, accelerate, and decelerate the train. This eliminates the need for wheels, brakes, and other heavy components, making maglev trains significantly lighter. This train can rival even the speed of commercial airplanes. The benefits of maglev trains will leave you speechless. Commuters can travel from greater distances to cities, and the increased logistics speed will positively impact businesses. With the potential to reach more than 1,000 kilometers per hour, maglev trains can compete with airplanes, offering a viable alternative for long-distance travel. Associate Professor Jonathan Kuldrick from the ANU College of Engineering, Computing, and Cybernetics states that a high-speed train like China's maglev would significantly help large countries. For instance, commuting 400 kilometers in approximately half an hour is like nothing we've ever seen. This would enable people to live in areas outside of major cities. Mr. Kuldrick believes that these fast trains could also be environmentally beneficial. He estimates that completely replacing regional passenger aircraft with ultra-high-speed trains in certain countries could reduce carbon emissions by 3 to 4%. Designers are pushing the boundaries of train technology. Mao Kai, the technical chief of the project, mentioned that the train surpasses the record of 3,529.6 kilometers per hour set by the SR-71 Blackbird reconnaissance aircraft, the fastest human-crewed aircraft in history.
The SR-71, nicknamed Blackbird and Habu, based off the designs of the A-12 and YF-A-12, was first seen soaring in the skies in 1964.
Japan's fastest bullet train can only reach a maximum speed of approximately 320 kilometers per hour. However, Japan also has a 42-kilometer test track, where a maglev train has achieved a speed of 503 kilometers per hour. Dr. Laird said this maglev train will not enter service until at least 2030. When Japan's new generation of maglev trains becomes operational, they are expected to travel at a maximum speed of 500 kilometers per hour between Tokyo and Nagoya. The following vehicle on our list is a two-wheeler with astonishing capabilities. Hoverboard, Shane. This is the latest tool from Shane Chen, the creator of the original hoverboard. Shane is the first two-wheeled EV concept that is ready for everyday use. Chen, the inventor of the self-balancing hovertrack scooter, also known as the hoverboard, patented his creation in 2012. Chen holds 76 patents in the United States despite widespread copying by other Chinese manufacturers. Chen describes Shane as a groundbreaking moment in automotive history, marking the practicality of a parallel two-wheeled electric car. While the vehicle's exterior may resemble a toy, Shane is designed to accommodate 5 adults comfortably. The interior evokes the sensation of preparing for a futuristic roller coaster ride. When in motion, the vehicle's wheels automatically adjust to maintain balance. The creator believes that this design enables safe travel at high speeds. Shane, quote, S shifting center of gravity counteracts driving and braking forces.
Created by the inventor of the hoverboard, Shane combines several fascinating technologies. If you like big wheels, you'll love Shane, a new electric vehicle concept with 60-inch rims.
Ensuring stability comparable to a 4-wheeled vehicle. The 2-wheel differential speed control simplifies parking and maneuvering. The vehicle's large wheels minimize rolling resistance and incorporate regenerative shocks to convert damping energy into battery power. Although not mentioned, Shane's roof appears to feature solar panel technology. Chen expresses confidence in Shane's potential to revolutionize mobility and seeks partners to bring the concept to fruition. The interior lacks a traditional steering wheel and features minimal controls beyond those visible in the center for the driver and passenger. The next vehicle can float in an emergency. Keep watching to learn more about this jaw-dropping technology. BYD U8, or floating SUV. The U8 was first revealed at the Guangzhou Auto Show on January 5, 2023. Sales of the SUV started on April 18th in China. Pricing was announced on September 20th, 2023. At approximately $150,000, the U8 Premium Edition was the most expensive Chinese mass-produced electric car at the time of its introduction. However, this record was later surpassed by the Yangwang U9 supercar in February 2024, priced at approximately $230,000. The U8 will also be offered in an off-road Master Edition, equipped with off-road enhancements such as a redesigned front bumper, a snorkel, and a detachable roof rack with a side ladder. This marvel features BYD's proprietary individual wheel drive technology.
BYD, the Chinese company that became the world's largest plug-in vehicle maker in less than 20 years, launched a new car brand called Yangwang,
the world's first exclusive intelligent hydraulic body control system for new energy off-road vehicles. With 4 separate electric motors propelling each wheel, this technology enables the traction control system to redistribute torque and maintain vehicle stability in the event of a tire puncture at high speeds. Additionally, the U8 can utilize differential steering, performing a 359-degree tank turn in tight spaces by rotating the left and right wheels in opposite directions. During a media event in early 2023, BYD CEO Wang Chuanfu personally demonstrated the vehicle's capabilities by driving a mechanism-wheeled demo vehicle sideways onto the stage. According to the developers, the new electronically controlled all-wheel drive system is 100 times faster than a conventional all-wheel drive system. We are about to reveal the most exciting innovation of this vehicle. Keep watching to find out. The U8 features Disabilities active suspension, which can increase ground clearance by 15 centimeters. As an off-road vehicle, the U8 Premium Edition can wade in a maximum depth of 1,000 mm, while the Off-Road Master Edition can wade up to 1,400 mm and is equipped with a snorkel. It also has limited water sailing capabilities, although BYD discourages owners from attempting this, as it is intended as an emergency escape feature for disaster situations like flash floods. Owners must take their vehicles to a service center for inspection afterward. When the car detects higher water depth than the wading limit, it activates an emergency floating mode. 1,500 HS thermoformed steel further elevates the safety standards, as this is the most steel used in any comparable automobile. Safety is not only prioritized outside, but inside the vehicle too. The interior features 11 standard airbags and 6 cameras, which enhance its occupant protection and situational awareness.
Check this out. All of these physical buttons for your air conditioning, your seats, your media, it's all physical buttons, and they have some pretty awesome touches of Chinese culture.
To ensure a clean cabin environment, the vehicle includes highly efficient air purification filters, making it a safe haven for passengers. But that's not all. Beyond safety, the vehicle boasts of highly remarkable performance capabilities. It features the world-first MOSFET motor control module, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per h in just 3.9 seconds. Furthermore, it has an impressive braking distance of only 32.8 meters when stopping from 100 km per h, demonstrating its high-performance engineering. The vehicle doesn't just impress with its safety and performance features. It also offers a luxurious, spacious interior that enhances comfort and connectivity for both drivers and passengers. At the center of the cabin is a 15.6-inch main touchscreen, which acts as the command center for the vehicle's advanced infotainment and connectivity systems. The display offers seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and smart vehicle controls, ensuring that the driver has everything they need at their fingertips. For rear seat passengers, the vehicle provides a range of premium amenities, including electric adjustments and seat ventilation, ensuring a first-class experience on long journeys. These features elevate the comfort of backseat occupants, offering a level of luxury typically found in higher-end models. The spacious design also ensures that all passengers have plenty of legroom and space to relax, making the car not only a high-performance car but also one designed for comfort and convenience. Another really exciting aspect of this car is its design. The makers have hinted at a sleek, modern aesthetic that reflects their commitment to staying ahead of the competition. The car embodies a wonderful blend of modern design and sporty elements, with its rounded bodywork flowing seamlessly into a low-profile stance, enhancing both visual appeal and aerodynamics. The flush door handles not only contribute to the sleekness, but also improve the vehicle's overall efficiency by reducing drag. Paired with the blacked-out roof, these design choices give the car a refined yet edgy look, perfect for urban driving. One of the standout features is its lighting design, with raindrop-shaped headlights that add a futuristic vibe to the front end, while the oval-shaped taillights mirror this sleekness at the rear. These elements, combined with a rear spoiler, enhance the dynamic appearance and provide a touch of sportiness. The car's two-tone color scheme, highlighted by a trendy black-beige combination, further elevates its stylish urban appeal, making it visually distinctive on the road. Additionally, the vehicle's streamlined profile is accentuated by subtle plastic trim along the lower body, which not only adds a layer of protection, but also reinforces its balanced design that blends both elegance and functionality. Its fuzzy four-spoke rims and flush door handles also contribute to a clean and minimalist exterior. This design strategy goes to showcase a combination of rounded, flowing shapes and sharp, defined lines, making the car visually striking yet practical for its class. The new $4,999 electric car is a game-changer in the automotive world, proving that you can have cutting-edge technology at an affordable price without losing quality or safety. China's ability to produce such a low-cost, high-tech car sets a new bar for electric vehicles, EVs, potentially shaking up the entire industry. This car is set to compete with more expensive EV brands like Tesla, offering similar features at a fraction of the price. By pushing boundaries in technology and lowering costs, China is challenging other car makers to keep up or risk losing customers who now have access to affordable, high-quality electric cars.
Watch this video till the end to see how China is solving the problem of desertification. Desertification is a significant environmental issue that's affected many countries around the world, including China. Desertification in China has been an ongoing problem for many years, and it's significantly impacted the country's environment, economy, and society. Historically, China has a long-standing relationship with its land and environment. The country's rich cultural heritage emphasizes the importance of the environment and its relationship to human well-being. However, the country's rapid economic growth and modernization in recent years have come at a great cost to the environment. According to the State Forestry Administration of China, desertification affects approximately 2.6 million square kilometers, or 27% of the country's land area. The Gobi Desert, which spans over 1.3 million square kilometers, is one of the largest deserts in the world and is expanding rapidly due to desertification. The areas most affected by desertification are mainly located in the northern and western regions of China, including Inner Mongolia, Xinjiang, Gansu, Ningxia, and Qinghai provinces, where the climate is dry and the soil is vulnerable to degradation. Before revealing China's miraculous method to combat desertification, let us look at some areas affected by desertification in China. Number 1 is Inner Mongolia, which is the region that's been hit the hardest by desertification in China. Inner Mongolia is a major coal-producing region in China, with abundant coal reserves that provide energy for the country. It also has a large agricultural sector, producing wheat, corn, and dairy products, contributing to China's food security. The area is also a key transportation hub, connecting China's north and south regions. Inner Mongolia covers about 1.1 million square kilometers, and over half is at risk of desertification. In Inner Mongolia, the desertification process has been accelerated by overgrazing, deforestation, and soil erosion. The loss of vegetation cover in this region has made it easier for wind and water to erode the topsoil and expose the underlying desert sand. This has led to the expansion of the Gobi Desert, now China's largest desert. Number 2 is Xinjiang. It's another region in China that's been severely affected by desertification. The region in China is important for energy security as it's rich in natural resources such as oil, gas, and coal. It's also a major cotton producer and has a significant textile industry. Additionally, Xinjiang's strategic location on the ancient Silk Road make it a vital transportation and logistics hub for trade between China and Central Asia. The region's located in the northwestern part of China and covers an area of about 1.6 million square kilometers. In Xinjiang, desertification is mainly caused by overgrazing, deforestation, and land use changes. The region's home to many ethnic minority groups, and desertification has significantly impacted their livelihoods. The loss of vegetation cover has led.
We finally figured it out, and I think it's the way that all electric cars in the future will ultimately be made.
China has long been a trailblazer in technology, setting trends rather than following them. Now, once again, it stands at the forefront of innovation. China is set to unveil its very own Giga press, a monumental leap in advanced manufacturing. This cutting-edge technology, similar to Tesla's breakthrough, will enable the rapid production of massive car components, transforming the way electric vehicles are assembled. With this game-changing development, China is set to redefine EV manufacturing by slashing costs and boosting efficiency. Will this innovation cement China's dominance in the race for EV supremacy? Join us as we uncover all the information. The Giga press. Visionaries in China are not backing down. And recently, they just revealed China's very own Giga press, a machine that CE would potentially revolutionize the automotive industry as we know it. But before we get into all the details and the interesting features of the machine, what exactly is the Giga press? Well, the Giga press is a game-changing manufacturing process that is cost-effective. The Giga press is an enormous die-casting machine that many believe gives China a competitive advantage over much of the competition.
This order has been placed by a leading global manufacturer for new energy vehicles. It makes a clear signal to the international foundry industries and the automotive manufacturers.
The Giga press is capable of producing parts that are up to 5 times larger than what can be produced by traditional casting methods. In recent years, the automotive industry has experienced remarkable technological advancements, and one of the most groundbreaking innovations is Giga casting. The die casting process at the core of Giga casting technology involves forcing molten metal alloys into a reusable mold. Once the aluminum cools and solidifies, the mold is opened to remove the finished piece. This efficient cycle allows for a turnaround time of just 1 to 2 minutes before starting the next casting, ensuring a continuous and streamlined production flow. The precision and speed of this process make it ideal for high-volume production, further making Giga casting a game-changer in the industry. The mold is cooled to 185 degrees Celsius and cleaned by robots, preparing for the next cycle. Fresh castings are trimmed, measured, inspected for imperfections, and sent for CNC machining to achieve the final specifications. In preparation for each casting cycle, Aluminum ingots and offcuts are melted in a natural gas-powered melting oven operating at 850 degrees Celsius. Any slag, primarily aluminum oxide, is mechanically removed, and the liquid aluminum is transferred through heated pipes to a warming oven operating at 850 degrees Celsius. Nitrogen gas blankets are employed to prevent oxide formation, while argon gas and a rotary degasser help remove impurities. At the start of each cycle, robots spray a thin layer of soybean oil inside the mold halves for easy separation. A low vacuum is created, and molten aluminum is precisely pumped into the casting chamber at 750 degrees Celsius. After injection, the mold opens to remove the raw casting, which is initially at 400 degrees Celsius. The casting is quenched in a tank to rapidly reduce its temperature to 50 degrees Celsius, and excess aluminum is recycled back into the melting oven. The useful parts undergo X-ray inspection, laser trimming, drilling for fittings, and precision measurement. The specifications for Giga press machines were first listed in IDRA's catalog as early as 2018, marking the beginning of this technological revolution. China began utilizing a custom OL 6100 CS Giga press in late 2020 for integrated die casting production. This groundbreaking process involves injecting 80 kilograms of molten aluminum into a cold chamber casting mold at an impressive speed of 10 meters per second. Each casting cycle lasts approximately 80 to 90 seconds, allowing for an output of 40 to 45 completed castings per hour. This remarkable efficiency highlights the Giga press's capabilities and its role in revolutionizing automotive manufacturing. Pioneered by Tesla, this cutting-edge technology has the potential to revolutionize vehicle manufacturing, enhance production efficiency, and significantly reduce costs. Giga casting represents a paradigm shift in the manufacturing processes employed in the automotive industry. Tesla was the first to adopt this innovative technique, particularly in the production of the Model Y. Previously, the rear underbody of the Model 3 was made up of a staggering 70 individual parts. However, with Giga casting, China has ingeniously simplified this assembly to just a few large castings, drastically increasing efficiency and reducing complexity. This innovative approach not only streamlines the production process, but also enhances the overall structural integrity of the vehicle. By allowing manufacturers to create larger, more cohesive components, Giga casting minimizes the need for numerous smaller parts, which can complicate assembly and introduce potential failure points. One of the most compelling advantages of Giga casting lies in its ability to significantly reduce manufacturing costs. Industry experts estimate that the adoption of Giga casting has led to a remarkable 40% decrease in the manufacturing costs associated with the Model Y's rear underbody. Furthermore, in the case of the Model 3, this revolutionary technology enabled China to eliminate approximately 600 robots from its assembly line, showcasing the dramatic simplification of production. By reducing the number of components and assembly processes required, manufacturers can save on labor and equipment costs, which sounds like a very fair deal if we're being honest. Automobile companies like Toyota have also indicated that they are embracing Giga casting. And by embracing Giga casting, they expect to have both the processes involved and the investments necessary for their manufacturing plants, highlighting the technology's potential for financial savings across the industry. The financial implications of Giga casting cannot be overstated, as automakers strive to remain competitive in an ever-evolving market. In an industry where speed is of the essence, especially in the context of rising demand for electric vehicles, EVs, Giga casting allows for parts to be produced at a significantly faster rate than the traditional methods we've grown accustomed to. With the capacity to produce an astonishing 1,000 castings per day, China can effectively meet the growing demand for its vehicles without compromising the important things, quality as well as efficiency. This increased production capacity not only positions China to maintain its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving automotive market, but also sets a new standard for manufacturing in the electrical vehicle sector. By streamlining production cycles, Giga casting helps manufacturers respond swiftly to consumer demands while maximizing output. In addition to its accelerating production, Giga casting also enhances the quality of the components produced. The Giga press is capable of manufacturing parts with a higher level of precision and accuracy compared to traditional methods, leading to improved performance and durability of Chinese vehicles. The refined quality of these components ensures that they meet consumer expectations for safety, reliability, and overall performance. As automotive manufacturers increasingly focus on delivering superior products to consumers, Giga casting emerges as a game-changing solution that meets all of these demands. As the automotive industry increasingly moves toward more sustainable practices, Giga casting presents a promising solution. The technology has the potential to significantly reduce carbon emissions by minimizing the number of individual parts required for production. By streamlining the manufacturing process and reducing waste, Giga casting aligns with the industry's efforts to adopt environmentally friendly practices. Additionally, Giga casting can help offset the inherent weight of EV batteries by producing lighter components, contributing to better fuel efficiency and extended battery range. With sustainability becoming a key focus for consumers and manufacturers alike, Giga casting represents a viable pathway to greener automotive production. Over time, the Chinese pioneering success with Giga casting has not gone unnoticed. Over the years, several major automotive manufacturers, including Toyota, Geely, General Motors, Volvo, and Hyundai, have begun to adopt this technology as they accelerate their electric vehicle production plans. In a recent technical briefing, Toyota announced its commitment to embrace Giga casting to remain competitive in the rapidly evolving automotive market. This interest in Giga casting shows its potential to reshape the manufacturing landscape as automakers seek to leverage the benefits of this innovative approach. Another thing we want to talk about is that China's Model Y rear casting dies feature a smart design consisting of 4 visible parts: 2 large main-facing dies oriented vertically for bottom injection, complemented by 2 smaller side wedging dies that facilitate injection and removal. This innovative mold design optimizes the casting process and ensures the efficient production of high-quality components. By maximizing the mold's efficiency and ensuring seamless production, China is paving the way for future advancements in automotive manufacturing. While China has primarily relied on Italy's IDRA for its Giga presses, the company is proactively diversifying its supplier base to include firms like Switzerland's Bühler and China's very own LK Group. This strategic move not only enhances the supply chain, but also fosters competition among suppliers, potentially leading to further advancements in Giga casting technology. By broadening its supplier network, China ensures that it can maintain production levels while also investing in the latest innovations. Now that you understand what the Giga press is and how it works, what are the advantages of using the machine, and what exactly are its benefits? The Giga press is capable of producing parts that are up to 5 times larger than what can be produced by traditional casting methods. It can produce parts that are lighter than those produced by traditional methods, improving the fuel efficiency of Chinese vehicles. Additionally, it can produce parts that are simpler in design, reducing the number of parts required and the complexity of the assembly process. Also, the Giga press can produce parts with higher precision and accuracy, improving the performance and durability of vehicles while simultaneously increasing production speed to help China meet the demand for its vehicles. This machine is a significant technological innovation, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way cars are made. The Giga press 2025. The Giga press 2025 introduces a set of groundbreaking and mind-blowing features designed to change the entire course of the manufacturing industry, particularly in large-scale production, such as automotive manufacturing. Let's take a closer look at these mind-blowing features. One interesting feature is the multi-material casting capability. One of the most exciting advancements is the ability of the 2025 Giga press to cast multiple materials simultaneously. Traditionally, die casting was limited to a single type of material, usually aluminum or magnesium. With this multi-material capability, different sections of a component can be made from different metals, combining strength, flexibility, and weight reduction all in one process. This opens up new design possibilities for industries, as they can integrate various materials into a single casting without additional assembly steps. Manufacturers can now create components that benefit from the unique properties of each material, enhancing overall performance and reliability. The 2025 model supports advanced alloying techniques that allow manufacturers to create stronger, lighter, and more heat-resistant parts. This advanced alloy formation allows manufacturers the ability to fine-tune alloy compositions directly during the casting process, which means that parts can be optimized for specific performance characteristics, such as improved durability, weight reduction, or corrosion resistance. This feature is particularly useful for industries like aerospace and automotive, where material properties are crucial for performance and safety. By customizing the alloy mix on the fly, manufacturers can respond to specific engineering requirements, leading to better performing and longer-lasting components. Asides the alloying techniques, integrated quality control has also been seamlessly integrated into the press itself. What this means is that every part produced is automatically checked for defects or inconsistencies during the casting process, significantly reducing the need for post-production inspections. Advanced sensors and imaging technologies monitor the casting in real time, ensuring that each component meets stringent quality standards. This not only reduces waste and minimizes defects, but also ensures more consistent production outcomes. The integration of real-time quality monitoring allows for immediate adjustments in the process, further enhancing reliability and minimizing costly recalls or reworks. In addition to its focus on quality, the 2025 Giga press also comes with a focus on sustainability, featuring energy-efficient systems that consume less power during operation. The machine makes use of recycling technologies that allow unused materials or defective parts to be reprocessed without leaving the machine, reducing material waste. Advanced filtration systems minimize emissions during the casting process, contributing to a lower overall environmental impact. By prioritizing sustainability, manufacturers can align with global initiatives aimed at reducing industrial carbon footprints, making the GigaPress a responsible choice for modern manufacturing. The GigaPress has been designed with global production flexibility in mind. This means it can be easily adapted to different factories and production lines worldwide, offering customizable configurations based on regional or industry-specific requirements. Whether a manufacturer needs to produce small batches in Europe or mass-produce components in Asia, the 2025 GigaPress is scalable to meet varying demands. This adaptability ensures that manufacturers can respond swiftly to changing market conditions and customer needs, maximizing efficiency across diverse production environments. The increased power of the new model is also a pretty interesting feature. This upgrade features a larger size and greater power capacity, enabling it to handle bigger and more complex components than ever before. This is particularly beneficial for industries like automotive, where large single-piece castings, such as car chassis, are increasingly being used to simplify vehicle construction. The increased power of the GigaPress also allows it to work with tougher materials, further enhancing its versatility. This capability not only simplifies the production process, but also contributes to the structural integrity of the final product, making it an invaluable asset in high-demand manufacturing environments. These innovations position the 2025 GigaPress as a key technology for next-gen manufacturing, enhancing speed, efficiency, and material capabilities while maintaining high-quality standards and sustainability goals. As we look ahead to 2025, the 2025 GigaPress is just one of the many innovations that China is set to unveil.